In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform with WordPress in just 5 minutes. This process will help you seamlessly add interactive, people-friendly forms to your WordPress site, elevating user engagement and collecting valuable data. Let's dive into the steps. First, direct your browser to Typeform's main website. Here, you'll access the platform known for its intuitive and visually appealing forms and surveys. Once you're on the website, look for the login button to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. But today, we're assuming you've already got that sorted. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in your Typeform workspace. This is your command center, where you can manage all your forms and surveys. Look through your workspace and select the specific form you want to integrate with WordPress. If you're creating a new form, ensure it's saved and ready to be shared before proceeding. Now, with your chosen form in focus, navigate to the Share section. This is where you can find various options to distribute your form, including direct links and embedding options. Here, you'll want to find and click on the Embed Form button. This option provides the necessary tools to integrate your form directly into your WordPress site, making it an engaging part of your web content. Upon clicking Embed Form, you'll see various embed options. Choose New Embed to start fresh with your integration. Typeform offers multiple methods for embedding, but to maintain clarity and engagement, selecting an approach that suits your website's design and your audience's experience is crucial. Next, tap on Start Embedding. This action will bring you to the Customization and Settings page, where you can tailor the form's appearance and behavior to fit seamlessly within your WordPress site. Take a moment to adjust the settings to your preference, ensuring the form not only complements your site's aesthetics, but also functions flawlessly. After customizing, the final step ventures into your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll need to decide exactly where on your site the form will appear. It could be within a specific page or as part of a sidebar or header. Once you've determined the form's placement, you'll use the WordPress-specific integration option provided by Typeform. Simply click on WordPress to generate the code or plugin details required for the integration. Finally, paste this code or plugin detail into the desired location within your WordPress editor. Ensure everything is saved and updated. Then navigate to your live site to confirm that the form is displaying correctly. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on integrating Typeform with WordPress, all in just under 5 minutes. This integration not only enhances your user interface, but also streamlines data collection, making your website more interactive and user-friendly. Don't forget to test the form once it's live to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!